Nikola Tesla was the crazy inventor that started the technology era. I am Carson, and I will tell you about Nikola Tesla's inventions and the big impact they have on modern civilization. People have created many inventions to help us develop as a society, and they have made our lives easier. I have always been interested in Nikola Tesla, and I have researched about him quite a bit. I think he is a fascinating person because of his crazy ideas and thoughts. I'm going to discuss about Nikola Tesla and his inventions, specifically alternating current, induction motor, and his impact on civilization. Nikola Tesla was born in modern-day Croatia in 1856. He studied math and physics at universities before leaving Croatia and moving to work at power plants in Europe. He then moved to New York and started working for Edison as an engineer. Tesla soon quit working with Edison because of some conflicts and differences in style of working. Soon after, he tried to start his own electric light company, but it was a failure and he started working manual labor. After that, he got financial backing for his research on alternating current, and he then was hired by Westinghouse. The alternating current was used as a solution to get electricity over long distances. According to biography.com, the Westinghouse Corporation was chosen to supply the lighting at the 1893 World's Columbian Exchange in Chicago, and Tesla conducted demonstrations of his AC system there. The alternating current soon was the most used way to deliver electricity across the country, and is still how electricity is still delivered to this day. Alternating current powers all the world now and is powering everyday electronics that people use. It helps with our everyday lives and has improved lives across the world supplying electricity efficiently. He developed the alternating current with the induction motor so they can be used together. Nikola Tesla had invented many things and researched many different things in his lifetime. The one invention that I find the most interesting is the induction motor, because it started a big boom in electricity generation. Nikola Tesla had the idea of the induction motor while he was going to university. The induction motor was used in the first big hydroelectric plant at Niagara Falls. History.com states, together Tesla and Westinghouse lit the 1890 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago and partnered with General Electric to install AC generators at Niagara Falls, creating the first modern power station. The power station powered all of Buffalo, New York, which was a big deal at the time. The hydroelectric plant used an induction motor that Tesla invented and became the main source to power the world. The induction motor is still used to power the world to this day. The induction motor was the first thing to transfer electricity energy into a different kind of energy. It changed electricity to mechanical energy and is used around the world. The induction motor impacted the world and is still being used to this day. Nikola Tesla had a huge impact with his inventions on the development of society and technology. Nikola Tesla created many things and started the movement of electricity, and because of him, the world has electricity around the world today. Nikola Tesla was known as a mad scientist because of his crazy ideas and inventions. According to InterestingEngineering.com, while in the United States, his showmanship and crazy inventions earned him the reputation of mad scientist. He was the creator of many things essential to modern life. Some of the inventions he had were X-rays, induction motor, alternating current, and wireless transmission. Many of his inventions are being used in everyday technologies, such as radios, washing machines, and electric motors and tools. He was the start of the modern-day power grid that supplies power to millions of people over every second of the day. Nikola Tesla was an inventor that impacted modern civilization. Tesla was a mad scientist that had many ideas and thoughts that helped jumpstart modern civilization. Nikola Tesla had many inventions in his life, and these inventions impacted modern civilization. Nikola Tesla was one of the most important inventors.